Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, we back at it. So today, the market went absolutely crazy. So if you look, the S&P of 0.83%, the Dow 7.7%, and the NASDAQ almost a full point. So let's get into it. So some of the top gainers we have, where is it? All right, we have Meta, Nvidia, and Google is still on a tear. So let's get into the S&P 500. Let's get into it. So guys, we're focusing on this trend line. So let's get into a regular trading session. So guys, remember what we said, this trend line, previous support will always become resistance. So now the previous resistance is becoming support. So you seen, if you take a look at here, this is our indicator. So literally as soon as it touched the trend line, our indicator gave us a buy signal. And the buy signal literally profited. You take a look at it. We got one signal, but it had to correct. And then you look at our next signal, that gave us all our profits. So if you look, so anytime you want to trade, you always need to make sure that you're trading with a proper indicator. Never take blind signals. So if you look at all the touches on the trend line. Touch on the trend line, bounce up. Touch on the trend line, bounce. Another touch on the trend line, bounce. And we're right back at all-time highs. So that's what we said in our previous video. In a bull market, anytime the stock dips, it's a buying opportunity. So let's get into our trades that we took. Let's pull up the SPY. We pull up our contracts from yesterday. So September 4th. So at 9:30, we bought one contract